transform your body and mind. Ultimate Strength Journey. The decision to change. Every strong life starts with one quiet moment. A moment when you stop running. A moment when you look at yourself and you ask one honest question. Is this the life I want? Not tomorrow, not next year, but today. Many people feel tired every day. Their body feels heavy. Their mind feels slow. Their heart feels empty. They wake up without energy. They go to sleep without pride. This is not because they are weak. It is because they forgot their power. Strength is not born in the gym. Strength is born in the mind. Before muscles grow, before habits change, before results appear, a decision must be made. The moment of truth. One day, you stand in front of the mirror. You see your body. You see your face. You may not like what you see. Your shoulders are down. Your eyes look tired. Your posture feels weak. But something else appears too. A small voice inside you. A voice that says, I want more. Not more money, not more likes, not more comfort. More strength, more control, more respect for myself. This moment is powerful. Most people run away from it. They distract themselves. They scroll. They eat. They sleep. But a few people stay. They listen. That is where your journey begins. Strength is a choice. Many people think strength is talent. They think strong people are born strong. This is not true. Strength is a choice, a daily choice. You choose to move your body. You choose to train when it is hard. You choose to continue when you want to quit. This choice is not loud. It is quiet. It is private. No one claps for you at the beginning. No one sees your effort. But your body remembers. Your mind remembers. Every small action leaves a mark. Why body and mind are one. You cannot separate body and mind. When your body is weak, your mind feels weak. When your body is strong, your mind becomes calm. Training your body is not about looking good. It is about feeling powerful inside. When you lift something heavy, your brain learns courage. When you finish a hard workout, your mind learns discipline. When you keep going, your soul learns belief. This is the secret. Physical training creates mental strength. The beginner's fear. If you are a beginner, fear will appear. You may think, I'm too old, I'm too weak, I'm too busy. These thoughts are normal. Every strong person had them. The difference is simple. They started anyway. You do not need confidence to start. You build confidence by starting. You do not need motivation every day. You build motivation by action. Start small, start slow, but start today. The first step is simple. You do not need a perfect plan. You do not need expensive equipment. You do not need a gym membership. You need movement. Move your body every day. Walk, stretch, push, pull, breathe. 5 minutes is enough. 10 minutes is powerful. Consistency matters more than intensity. One small action today, another small action tomorrow. This is how strength grows. Discipline is freedom.
Many people think discipline is punishment. They're wrong. Discipline is freedom. When you train your body, you gain control. When you wake up early to move, you win the day. When you keep your promise to yourself, your self-respect grows. You start to trust yourself. This trust is rare. This trust is powerful. It changes how you walk. It changes how you speak. It changes how you live. Pain has a purpose. Training is not always comfortable. Your muscles will burn. Your breath will be heavy. This is not bad. This is growth. Pain during training teaches you something important. You can survive discomfort. You can stay calm under pressure. You can push past fear. Life will challenge you. Stress will come. A trained body supports a strong mind. The identity shift. At first, you train. Then something changes. You stop saying, I am trying to be strong. You start saying, I am a strong person. This is identity. Identity shapes behavior. Strong people move. Strong people choose healthy habits. Strong people respect their time. This shift is slow, but it is permanent. Once you see yourself as strong, you act strong. No one is coming to save you. This truth is hard, but it is freeing. No one is coming to rescue you. No one will do the work for you. And that is good news, because it means the power is yours. You decide your habits. You decide your effort. You decide your future. You are not a victim. You are a builder. Strength is built in silence. Your early journey will be quiet. No results, no praise, no attention. This is where most people quit. But this is where winners are made. Train when no one watches. Move when no one cares. Your body is listening. Your mind is learning. One day, the results will speak for you. The promise of this journey. This journey will change you. Not just your body, but your thoughts, your confidence, your energy. You will stand taller. You will breathe deeper. You will live with intention. This is not about perfection. This is about progress. You are not late. You are right on time. Part 2. Building daily strength habits. Real change does not happen in one day. It happens every day. Strength is not built by big actions once a month. Strength is built by small actions every morning. This part of the journey is about habits, simple habits, repeatable habits. Habits that shape your body, habits that shape your mind. The power of daily action. Your body learns by repetition. Your mind learns by repetition. What you do every day becomes who you are. One workout will not change you. One healthy meal will not change you. But doing it again and again and again, that is transformation. Daily action removes fear. Daily action builds confidence. When you show up every day, your brain stops asking questions. Your body starts cooperating. Create a simple daily ritual. You do not need a complex plan. Complex plans fail. You need a ritual. A ritual is something you do without thinking, like brushing your teeth. Choose a time. Choose a place. Choose simple movements. Morning is powerful. Your mind is quiet. Your will is strong. Even 5 minutes matters. Start your day by moving your body. It sends a message, I am in control today. Train even when motivation is low. Motivation is unstable. Some days it is high, some days it disappears. Do not wait for motivation. Train because it is who you are. On hard days, lower the intensity, not the habit. Do one push-up, one squat, one stretch. Small action keeps the chain alive. This is how discipline grows. Learn to love the process. Many beginners focus only on results. They want fast change, fast results. This thinking creates frustration. Instead, focus on the process. Enjoy the movement, enjoy the breath, enjoy the effort. Each session is a victory. You showed up. That matters. When you love the process, results come naturally. Strength trains the mind. Each workout is a lesson. When your muscles shake, your mind learns patience. When your breath is heavy, your mind learns control. When you want to quit, your mind learns courage. Training is mental practice. You are teaching yourself to stay calm, to stay focused, to stay strong under pressure. These lessons stay with you outside training, at work, in relationships, in life. Build momentum slowly. Momentum is powerful, but it starts small. One good day leads to another. One good week builds belief. Do not rush. Rushing leads to injury. Rushing leads to burnout. Let your body adapt. Let your mind adapt. Slow growth is strong growth. Your body is your teacher. Listen to your body. Pain is information. Fatigue is a signal. Do not ignore them. Rest when needed. Move gently when tired. Recovery is part of training. Strong people respect rest. Sleep is training. Breathing is training. Walking is training. Everything matters. Remove friction from your environment. Make training easy. Prepare your clothes. Clear your space. Choose simple routines. When action is easy, consistency increases. Do not rely on willpower. Design your environment. The easier it is to start, the more often you will train. Progress is not always visible. Some days you feel stronger. Some days you feel weak. This is normal. Progress is not a straight line. Trust the process. Your body is changing, even when you do not see it. Your nervous system adapts. Your posture improves. Your energy increases. Small changes add up. Build self-respect through action. Every time you train, you keep a promise to yourself. This builds self-respect. Self-respect changes everything. You speak with confidence. You set boundaries. You stop accepting less. A strong body creates a strong identity. Hard days are training days. The hardest days matter most. Training when tired, training when busy, training when stressed. These days build real strength. Anyone can train when life is easy. Strong people train when life is hard. This mindset separates winners from quitters. Consistency beats perfection. You will miss days. You will make mistakes. Do not quit. Return the next day. Consistency is not perfection. Consistency is return. Always come back. You are becoming someone new. Over time, your habits change you. You move differently. You think differently. You are not the same person. You are stronger, calmer, more focused. This is the power of daily habits. Part 3. Becoming your strongest self. Strength is no longer something you chase. Strength is who you are. This is the final stage of the journey, not the end, but the beginning of a new way of living. You no longer ask, "Can I do this?" You say, "I will do this." Living with strength every day. Training has changed your body, but more importantly, it has changed your standards. You stand taller. You move with purpose. You speak with clarity. Strength is now part of your daily life. You choose better habits without force. You respect your time. You protect your energy. This is quiet confidence. Confidence without noise. True confidence is calm. It does not need attention. You do not prove yourself. You improve yourself. Strong people do not talk much. Their actions speak. Your body shows discipline. Your eyes show focus. This confidence is unshakable. Strength changes how you face life. Life will test you. Pressure will come. Stress will appear, but you are prepared. Training has taught you something important. Discomfort is temporary. Effort brings results. Quitting brings regret. When problems appear, you breathe, you stay present, you act. The power of self-trust. You trust yourself now. You trust your discipline. You trust your ability to endure. This trust is rare. This trust is valuable. It affects every part of your life. Work becomes focused. Relationships become healthy. Decisions become clear. You move forward with certainty. Strength is responsibility. With strength comes responsibility. You become an example. People notice your energy, not because you speak loudly, but because you live with intention. Your actions inspire others. You do not push, you lead by example. This is real influence. Mastery is a daily choice. You are not finished. Strength must be maintained. Habits must be protected. You choose discipline every day, not because it is easy, but because it is worth it. Mastery is repetition with awareness. Each session matters. Each choice matters. Balance creates longevity. Strength is not excess. Strength is balance. You train hard, you rest well. You push forward, you recover deeply. This balance keeps you strong for life. Burnout is not strength. Sustainability is. Identity is your greatest asset. You are no longer trying to be strong. You are strong. This identity guides your actions. Strong people care for their health. Strong people manage their emotions. Strong people stay consistent. Your identity protects your future. When doubt returns. Doubt may return. This is normal. Do not fight it. Return to your habits. Return to movement. Action dissolves doubt. You know the path. You have walked it before.
Strength is a lifelong practice. There is no finish line. Strength grows with you. Your goals change, your body changes, but your discipline remains. This is freedom. The strongest version of you. The strongest version of you is not perfect. It is consistent. It is present. It is disciplined. You honor your body. You respect your mind. You live with purpose. Final words. You started with a decision. You built daily habits. You became someone new. This journey is yours. Every day is a chance to grow stronger. Move your body. Calm your mind. Respect yourself. This is the ultimate strength journey.
If this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Motivation to Study English for 30 minutes every day. Your support is the energy that keeps us creating better and more meaningful videos every single day.